I deeply think life is the most beautiful thing could happen to us. And it's beautiful, but it's too fast. That's why there is no time to be sad, I think. When I write a tune, my inspiration comes from whatever happened to me. I start singing, listening to blues and listening to Whitney Houston and Aretha Franklin and soul music. And then I moved to R&B and funk and then jazz. But always I had this incredible passion for all the African and South American rhythm. At some point, I start to first analyzing the music from my land. And then I started to sing it and it was making sense. So yeah, basically that has been the process.
She's very curious. She searches. She's searching for her own voice, which I think she has found. The one thing that she does have, I think that is very unique, is she has the gift to make you feel emotions that perhaps you never thought you could feel.
What I love of Catania, of my city, we have the volcano, we have the Etna, and from every part of the city we can see the volcano and the sea. And I don't know, I was not really considering this before, but living outside, I kind of discovered that we take with us like the strength of the volcano. We bring that power with us. We played a couple of months ago at the Berklee Performance Center in this amazing show, annual Middle Eastern Festival, produced by Christian Karam and Javier Limon, and was amazing, the mix of Arabian music and Greek music and of course flamenco and Sicilian music.
She's an amazing musician, amazing vocalist. As a person, she's incredibly loving. She has amazing energy, an amazing vibe. Man, she's Sissy.
Right now I'm working in my album. There will be a lot of Sicilian music, like traditional Sicilian music, rearranged. But I'm also writing my own music. I'm focusing on it, and I hope it will be out soon. Actually, no, I hope it will be out soon.
She's definitely one of those people that when you hear her voice, you feel like it's angels around you, singing to you. That's Sissy. She's one of those angels.